everyone. I am Krishna Shrivastava. I am working as a senior general manager over here with a company called NCL Industries Limited. NCL Industries Limited is a 14 years old company which are majorly into the Nagarjuna cement, the major brand that is available in the south. We have a brand called Bison Panel which is available pan India. There is a division called NCL Door which are into the ready-made doors or ready-made fancy doors. I am working in Mumbai taking care of the western region for Bison Panel. Bison Panel basically is a product, is a cement bonded particle board. It is being used in the application of fall ceiling, in the application of partition, in the application of duct covering, in the application of ceiling, in the application of mezzanine flooring. So these are all the applications where you can use Bison Panel instead of plywood, because of the USP of the Bison Panel that we are having is a termite proof, is a water resistance, it a heat resistance and a sound insulation. You get all these quality in a single board, so that's why we recommend you to use Bison Panel instead of plywood for all these applications. Vishwakarma is a great platform where all these top brand can get into more details if you want to have any of the more details knowledge, and this is the platform where you will be serviced at a very high level, and not only the service, you will have a technical detail. The team is there where they can introduce with the company so that you can have the details, technical details, whatever the queries you are having in your mind. So they will have a connection with the company, and they will resolve your queries if at all anything is there in your mind with the product. So there is a direct connection between the Vishwakarma and the company's personnel.